Welcome to the age of AI-powered threats and soaring ransomware attacks. Your old antivirus just won't cut it anymore. Did you know ransomware incidents surged 70% last year, targeting not just big companies, but your personal data too? Meet Acronis True Image, the comprehensive solution that combines industry-leading backup with cutting-edge AI-powered real-time security. Its active protection monitors your system behavior 24/7 using behavioral analysis and AI to instantly stop zero-day threats like sophisticated malware and ransomware before they can encrypt your files. Beyond malware, the identity protection feature shields your credentials and financial information from phishing and data breaches, preventing cybercriminals from stealing your life online. Even if a threat somehow gets through, you're safe. Acronis creates full image backups of your entire system, OS, applications, and files, ready for instant universal restore. Cyber protection is essential, not optional. Stop paying subscription fees for separate backup and security tools and get the integrated power of Acronis. For a limited time, you can get the advanced or premium plans for up to 50% off. Click the link in the description to secure your digital life today.